morning from Roswell, New Mexico. It is day 3 of my trip down to Austin, Texas. I am super tired today. The hike I did yesterday wore me out. I came to the hotel last night and went straight to bed, and up late this morning. I'm not doing a walk or hike today. I'm taking it easy today, rest day. And so I'm gonna go get fuel, stop by Starbucks, grab myself a drink, and head out. And I have an 8-hour drive today without stops. So excited to go see my sister, give her the car. I still have to teach her how to drive a stick. But if I don't finish before I leave, her husband's gonna help her. But I told her I'd help her before I left, because I figured if I'm gonna drive a car out to go see my sister, I might as well stay for a week and visit with her and her family before I fly home. So anyways, just leaving the hotel and see you at the next stop. Bye guys. Hello. So I made it out to Texas 2 days ago. I totally forgot to do a video when I got here. I did quick stops along the way the last day. I just wanted to hurry up and get to my sister's as fast as I could. Everyone's sleeping in the house right now, so I'm trying to be quiet. It's just been a busy couple of days, visiting with family, chatting, running around, doing errands. It was just a super fun day. The first day was spent just running around town. My sister and I went out to lunch, and then we did a little bit of shopping, picked up a couple things, and then we picked up her kids in the new car that I'm giving her. And then we had a family dinner that night. And then today we were visiting this morning, chatting, went and got some Mexican corn today for lunch. And then we did a big family get-together dinner tonight, and it was a really fun time. I'm having a blast. I love coming out and visiting my sister. It's something I try to do once a year for at least a week. I like to come out here and visit my sister, her kids, her husband, and her husband's family, and it's always so fun, and I have such a blast. So thanks for coming along on my trip. I fly out in five days, I believe, is when I get on my plane to fly back home. So I'll see you guys later, and thanks for joining me.